Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super fun and delicious, the Bubbleology Milk Tea Mixology Kit. Yes, we're making our very own bubble tea at home and it's easier than you think. This kit makes 4 bubble teas and comes with everything you need. Here's what's inside. 4 jumbo straws, 2 foil sachets of creamy taro powder, 2 brown sugar syrup sachets, 4 sachets of instant tapioca pearls. Let's start with the brown sugar tiger milk tea. First, empty 1 sachet of tapioca pearls into a glass. Pop it in the microwave for 40 seconds at 750 to 800 watts. Then, take 1 brown sugar syrup sachet and swirl it around the inside of your glass. This creates that tiger stripe effect. Next, pour in 300 milliliters of cold milk. Add some ice if you're feeling extra chill. Pop in your straw. And that's it. Now let's make the taro milk tea. First, mix 100 milliliters of hot water with 200 milliliters of cold milk in a jug. This gives you that warm but not too hot base for your tea. Then, add in 1 taro sachet and stir until smooth. Just like before, heat up a tapioca sachet in the microwave for 40 seconds. Pour the taro mix into your glass with the tapioca. Pop in your straw, stir gently, and enjoy. So, is the Bubbleology Mixology Kit worth it? Well, it's quick, easy, but honestly, we couldn't help but worry about the amount of sugar in this drink. If you are a big fan, this will be a cute kitchen adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more foodie fun.